Ayan guys, dito po tayo ngayon sa Naples, Italy.
Nice place.
Nice place guys. Ayan.
Nice place.
One of the nice city in Italy. Ito yung the former Pope Francis guys. This way guys. So we're heading to the Philippine store. We're buying some. Oh, we're going guys. Nice nice place. Guys, that's one of the historical sites here in Naples, Italy. Nice place guys, see? That's about 1,000 years ago this site guys.
Pasok tayo dyan, pa.
Saan yung museum ito? Yung castle na to? Yan guys, castle. One of the beautiful castle here in Naples guys. Please like and share. Tara. Lakad tayo doon.